Hi guys, welcome back to How to Build Your Own Modelway series part. I'm not sure what part it is actually at this moment. I'll just have a look at my video and see what part it's on. I suppose I haven't gone up yet, but you know these things do take time. Where are we at? Part 6. So we are at part 7 on this video now. Actually, I just recently uploaded a bunch, so that would be part 7, part 8, part 9. So right now we're actually on part 10. Right, part 10 is going to be a new part of the scenery. So you see this hillside here, guys, this section here. We're going to work on this bit now. Obviously we're just going to grab something we need to use to brush it up and scoop it over. Just take that off. Well, yeah, I'm about to film how to build a Model series part 7. On Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Twitch and TikTok. Links to all those down in the description, as well as both my train channel as well as my gaming channel. So both will be linked in the description for that. So yeah, there's going to be a bunch of stuff I'm going to be doing to this railway, including a few other little extras like scenery, tidying up the railway. Basically this is all modelway projects and I'm putting together and just getting it working out, I guess. But I've got to do it this way because it's the only way to get it sorted out.
That'll be good. People who are learning to build stuff, yeah. When do you think you'll do some more of your adventure videos you do? Yeah. I know you did one the other day. Have you ever gone camping before? Just curious, because I did once when I was in primary school. I was about 9. Did I like it? Not at the time, no. Irritating. I probably would go now, but I'll get annoyed easily. I probably wouldn't even know how to put the tent up. Just have to take 50 blankets and sleep with those.
Have I ever been camping? Plenty of times. When I was young, I'm not sure what age I was, but I was quite young. We went down to Dawson Camp a lot, and I went camping with my granddad. When was it? 2016, 2017? And I went camping with my granddad in Wales. And yeah, the ground wasn't the best, but obviously the sleeping bags we had on the air mattress was quite nice actually. It wasn't too bad. Obviously I went to sleep really early, but it was like 8:30, 9 or something, 20 to 10. And obviously I just slept. Woke up at about 7:30, 7:45, and yeah, that's pretty much it for that. But yeah, that was a few years ago now. Obviously I haven't been anything like that recently because obviously COVID, and now Boris Johnson is now saying the lockdown's been extended because people can see their family over Christmas to after Christmas Day. Why am I picking all the scenery out? Because there was going to be a new design of this layout once I'm putting it together and getting some new ideas for the railway and just things like that. So yeah, there's going to be a bunch of stuff that being added to this railway as time goes on. And what does that mean for those people who watch my channel? Well, to those people who are new to the train channel or the gaming channel, there's different content for both channels. Obviously the gaming channel is for games. This train channel is mostly for train stuff. Occasionally the chat videos do come in, but very rarely. It's not very often, but yeah, it's quite interesting, really. But trying to think of the ideas to building this project and trying to design a layout that's going to work. But the thing is, to doing it, you have to build up designs for it all. But I think that's the most stressful part at the moment, trying to just get ideas and try to put it all together. So the old bodies of the old trim set of the Class 31, they're just being restored with, basically just being tight, just sorting itself out and things like that. Yeah.
I would go camping again. I wouldn't do it by myself though. Hell no, I'll get lost. Probably end up in a bush somewhere. Or in a river. Could you imagine that? Just turning on the TV, watch the news, weirdo floats on the river in a damn unicorn onesie. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Well, it's been a rather slow day today again. Been drinking plenty of water. Yeah, been raining like usual.
Yeah, it's been a fairly slow day for us. We only went shopping today. Obviously I'm still feeling a bit cruddy, but I'm not feeling as bad as I did yesterday. My gosh, I felt really dreadful when I woke up. Blinding headache yesterday. And then I think at some point in the afternoon when I got up, obviously I just didn't feel great at all. I just felt pretty tragic actually. But obviously today I got a few things in for myself to maybe to help, but yeah. As I said, I'm going to have a big time off over Christmas, so I won't be online much. Obviously I'll be online till Christmas Eve, but after that I won't be online till some point in January. But yeah, so I'll get some new trains. I also imagine you going in the tent. No, actually, you're going in a porta potty because you need the toilets, and you flying down the stream, taking a dookie, and then Rena's going down the stream, lol. I also imagine you going in the tent. No, actually, you're going in a porta potty because you need the toilets, and you flying down the stream, taking a dookie, and then Rena's going down the stream, lol. Anyway guys, I apologise for that. We've got a minute and a half left. It's just a lot of work being done on this file, obviously I need to do it properly. Right now it's just,
Yeah. I think I told you yesterday I woke up with a horrible headache and it lasted until the evening. Like I said, I took tablets yesterday, but it don't do nothing. Just got to grin and bear it, ain't you?
I mean,
Yeah. Honestly, I'd rather have the pains I get in my leg than in my head. Yes. Because the head thing is, nothing gets rid of it. Usually when I take the naproxen for my legs, it helps most of the time. So, you know, I've had pain in my legs. Anyway, what are you gonna do tomorrow? Are you gonna have a chill out day or a busy day?
what am I doing tomorrow? As I said yesterday, I felt really tragic, but today I don't feel still 100%. I think about 70. So hopefully tomorrow I feel close to 90. But yeah, it's